Mama Boati Asia said this year, Reverend Obofo say, will be a Robert can and one semboni biano. Sebe. One found and chow. Na Sadio Wemuno, and I say, Yenya say, one. Mamma say, ye and a shasiano, and Crophobia no the Reverend Obofo din a boom crofo, and Crophomia nubi. Ewo a year nungwa, Reverend Obofo ma police for Chiwomo. Reverend Obofo issue a year. Nana grada na nini nemu no yesusu se nana grada e kan sem bia Reverend Obofo hu ne se e defamatory enti na wesiu no nana hu ehin so be kan sem bi fa Reverend Obofo hu Reverend Obofo issue no just this year the Reverend Obofo say who nim now the fan lie on fan chow endra e na branch bia wo ba abonten be ka se Reverend Obofo edi nipa yemu ade akwakoko nimba ewo kotonu edi petumi osofu bio I friend the prophet Elisha wakas asem fa Reverend Obofo ho some time ago no sa asofo no endra e na chese ye de no kokota ya chinatum ye de na kosunyane prison sem so kodim for 1 year ensem a wakan fa Reverend Obofo ho nti na we ya na endra me read the comment actually na ngrofo ka say but Reverend Obofo and yes adia fa kwa Kennedy Japan so because Manase any demon breaker akwa jina na 2 na wo mo kan nsem fata fa ho so wa ma warning say this year will be abeka nsem a ensem fata no obesu no and the Reverend Obofo kokosiu eyesa Manase any demon breaker Ghana for kan na bi mo kan say Reverend Obofo slow because Kennedy Japan na trese wotechi na me yesa audio no and as podcast ni wie ye endra me ye wie ya me kan nsem no na wo bi send me a video link bi on Instagram. Now we read the comments out. We be say asemo Reverend Obofo kan wan bo obi edin but enkrofo e ka wo comment box ni mo say we there e Kennedy Japan straight na Reverend Obofo e man warning because asemo na Reverend Obofo kan say masa unim say we sikeni na obe man enkrofo use wo platform e say enkrofo din a wo be trel che say spiritually and physically e na enkrofo ka say we there e Kennedy Japan na Reverend Obofo what they are calling so now without wasting much of your time no you go to your audio no the comments no sa audio no comment box ni mo no dey na nkrofo kan no eno na ye be read actual na we hu say people were saying say we dey Kennedy Japan you go to your audio no nsem a Reverend Obofo wo kan ye wi a na ya baba be read the comments na atre mo na ya hwe de Ghana for eka
let them there
guys
Kwasepra mama for ka. Akache mu obi a wo krom a wo presenters ya wo sell from Usika new year businessman. Would you go my presenter be dia go? O boss me useless.
Yes.
Me ridicule no. Susu musumeti mi no. Masa cannot walk. Awurade mene mi aka me nuru ne. Would you let your boss dare me?
Cash.
Come on from.
Cash.
O na me kira mo boss nu moja. Owo mre wa da agiri time odi kum nipa.
Kiti brakas.
Apano Mekai. Well, you say every people say you sure. Ghana, you sure Obia.
No.
Ghana, I respect Ghana. But I'm not afraid of anybody.
That nonsense must stop.
That two sample did not tell what's a chance. What draw to the walk on say rubber, no catches and want to sell rubber. We're changing to sell rubber. So, catches and hopeful to sell cra, a far fire, what is sadder. O catches and Hosam and cool, what is sadder. It in how but my new one is a wounding. Yes, was a Satan, minimum Numa, yes, the minimum walk. We will sponsor them professionally. Not just be quiet anytime.
Now, video we Instagram page a your friend no akokonsa for. One more ena a postie sa audio we a mabwacho sifia no. Na wo hwe caption a one more edeka ho a eno ena man krofo kasa wo say to whom it may concern, but please no one should tag Netu. That's the caption a akokonsa for no ediaba. Now let me speak on this. Maybe I'm not comment because comments ni mu na nkrofo Kennedy Japan din. If you read the comment on this particular video, and then Ebema Sebe, what Junior Basso say, ABR Reverend Obofo, he's talking to Kennedy Japan. But my mention was doing Embra Bibi so. Now, sa dear way, even Obinim ye the ayene pen. Muntie miye, Bishop Obinim ye the ayene pen. Ghana has say we are fond of that. Ube won say ABR was so for bibe video bi. Wo bi beba aba bedi was so for bi atem. Na was so for na ye video no I responded to nipa krone de dada. You go say also for maybe an old video. Now so be who say was so for the new asem enye piepe near the sa video na ba na Ghana phone so believe say a new one. So mo be kaya me mamoti ase wo bi nim na say ya police for ebe kan bi. Say story ba say yachi obi nim yachi obi na nkrofo release some old video of Tema police for ekwa arrest obi nim ene was so for one blow. So that time no so for one blow one hono. But he releases our video na Ghana for office say a current and no more say hey yenya video no yachi obi nim and people believe say ne cre yachi obi nim. It has happened countless times. Embra obi nim ne Kennedy Japan enya ntokwa obi nim ba won say sa audio na around say the fake is news no. Nkrofo fi say sa fake is news na obi nim kan no. It was a response to Kennedy Japan dabi sa fake is news na obi nim kan no old video bia obi nim ye mbre bi na semba ya say na sorry dan hye e na obi nim be ye video waka say dabi na sorry dan hye ye na fake is news be say won Kennedy Japan nya assembly Nkrofo share that at the video ni by say obi nim response to Kennedy Japan. Meanwhile it was an old video obi nim aye. So this particular thing na Reverend Obofo can ebetumi abane say Nkrofo say Reverend Obofo din old video Nkrofo say Reverend Obofo din na Reverend Obofo almost Nkrofo no warning ende akwa say obi akotena na tun so say ni din na Nkrofo share that person wo mo ye na wo mo de link wo hu baby asem no enam. So that's what personally I feel. But let me go into the comment box. Let's read the comments. Let's see what Ghanaians are saying about this. We'll be saying the matter 10 hot. Simple English. I don't then okay, we'll be saying yes, I was waiting for Reverend Obofo to make math. God, thank you. Finally, we got this guy. Ken, finish him. I was eager for this day. Yeah, today I go sleep rough. Inti asema will be no. Say wa train. Say nanka Reverend Obofo be responded to Kennedy Japan. That means this person even believes. Say Reverend Obofo is responding to Kennedy Japan. Say Reverend Obofo is giving a warning, a strong warning to Kennedy. And nipa ku we ka say hey, na me train. Say Reverend Obofo be ba kan Kennedy Japan. Kennedy Japan. Reverend Obofo be kan because so there also will be a kan wa. And you see one thing and they say someone will send this video to Kennedy Japan and Kennedy Japan will believe say ebia no and a Reverend Obofo no but ebia baka ohwem no kran na an old video bi a Reverend Obofo aye ohwe obi nim de na sa video bi sa old video and ye de come Kennedy Japan say obi nim responded to you and a Kennedy Japan bufu ye meanwhile it was an old video. Inti no asemwa eda ho no obi so say ye Kennedy Japan if you like say fe. So you see in the comment box people are mentioning Kennedy Japan's name. Say wey there Reverend Obofo too short ama Kennedy Japan. Obi so say this is how Obi Nim's own started though. You people should tell him asemwa Obi so can no. Obi so say Kennedy Japan Obofo is insulting you asemwa Obi can comment box ni mo no. Obi so say hey, did you hear what he said? Erade hey asemwa Obi can Obi so say the people backing him are the ones making this very funny. Not to say Reverend Obofo junior pastors no wakasa wo mo kasa we chi no enu Obi can say wo mo na wo mo ma ade we eyesre. Obi say he should mention name say na Obi so ka Obi say please the best way to make net to notice is to mention them in your status. You are welcome. Asemwa Obi so can no. Obi say Kennedy please start investigating this one too. Inti osha Ghana for bebre omo comment link this to Kennedy Japan. But I have told you guys already. This could be and you see, a bit to me about class said, Sir Osofo Elisha, na Reverend Obofoma Yachin, no, because that time then Reverend Obofo Babon saying Becca says Sir Osofo Elisha, no, Becca and send for Reverend Obofo who said, well, really pay you more idea with Kuon one and Bano. Reverend Obofo Mayeti, as I say, a station owner be some radio station owner be a ties our branch in Echi. It's a bit to me about said this particular audio crano, it is an audio Reverend Obofo date for that prophet Elisha, no. Munti assembly. But it stands that it fits the perfect narration of today. Netu ninti obia kofaba. Reverend Obofo ni baby on penny wansem. On person of a Kennedy Japan. Head and Crawford per se. Won't you imagine your comment box with you for me that say.